ISPE has many excellent trainers and great training material which can be customized for delivering specific needs for the client.
I've done both the regular public training, but I've also done the custom training for companies, and the advantage there is when we're talking about a computer system, we can talk about their computer systems. And I have found that when I do those trainings, the people are really happy to be able to apply that to things that they're already familiar with. I think there's a lot of value, and we've managed to bridge that gap quite effectively. We can pretty much deliver training anywhere you want. On-site training, we can do just about anywhere.
The tools and materials that ISPE provided were comprehensive and materials I plan to return to time after time as we continue our journey.